Chairman of Bangladesh Power Development. This momentous ceremony is taking place in the gracious presence of high dignitaries of the three nations.
Global IME Bank, Sabai ka lagi bank.
NE will deliver 40 megawatt power at Muzaffarpur substation in India from June 15 to November 15 each year over a period of 5 years at the rate of 6.4 US cents per unit on a round-the-clock basis through Dalkebar Muzaffarpur 400 kV transmission line. BPDV will draw this power from Veramara in Bangladesh through Baharampur Veramara SBDC cross-border link. NBBN will act as the trader for this transaction, receiving a trading margin for the energy supplied by NEA at the delivery point from BPTV. NBBN will also oversee all scheduling, dispatch, and energy accounting related to this transaction. Additionally, the transmission charges and losses from the injection point, Muzaffarpur, to the drawal point, Veramara, will be covered by BPTV. Over the 5-month period each year, a total of 144 million units of electricity will be sold to Bangladesh, generating an estimated revenue of approximately 9.2 million US dollar annually for Nepal. This tripartite agreement is established as per the guidelines issued by the Government of India for the import-export of electricity 2018 and procedures for approval and facilitation of import-export of electricity by the designated authority of India issued on February 26, 2021.
As we strive to ensure sustained growth in this sector, we are turning to our regional neighbors for collaboration. Today's event is a testament to this vision. Bangladesh, India, and Nepal are countries rich in natural and human resources, and there is great potential to harness these assets for mutual benefit. We see immense value in forging stronger alliances, particularly in the areas of grid connectivity, energy efficiency, renewable energy, and hydropower. We look forward to jointly exploring these future opportunities. This PSA, signing today, reflects our shared commitment to sustainable energy. It's a significant step forward in our collaboration and will pave the way for broader energy trade among the nations. The road has been long, but we have traveled it with determination and shared ambition. I am confident that this agreement will lead to even more substantial cooperation among Bangladesh, India, and Nepal in the years to come. Bangladesh is keen to increase the share of renewable energy in its energy mix, and we believe that Nepal's vast hydropower potential offers a suitable and reliable source for us to meet this goal.
I extended my heartfelt congratulations to the new interim government of Bangladesh and its people, wishing them success in their reform agenda. Their commitment to democratic principle and free and fair election resonates deeply with our shared valuable prospecting strong ties since our diplomatic relations began in 1972. I would also to express my condolence in the families and affected by the recent political honors in Bangladesh. My thoughts are well in decision and injured depend their challenging it. I believe today's events signify a step forward, normalization and social economic recovery. Today is established roasted robust foundation of first and collaborations among the BBIN nation is power generated in Nepal will reach Bangladesh through cross-border transmission links. I express my significant gratitude to the Government of India for its unwavering support in facilitating this initiative, and I acknowledge in contribution of former Prime Minister, Right Honorable Mr. Sher Bahadur Deuba to Nepal and Its Excellency Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi of India, who joint vision statement on power sector cooperation has been instrumental. I also recall the recent meeting between Right Honorable Prime Minister Mr. K.P. Sharma Oli of Nepal and His Excellency Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus of Bangladesh, where they emphasize the need for enhanced economic cooperation and energy trade. This dialogue has culminated in today's Chinese transition. Our power trade from bilateral to trilateral on Asia, South Asia.
Government of India has recently also approved that our two public sector units, Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam, SJVN, and Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, IREDA, can infuse further equity into the Upper Karnali project, which is done by an Indian company, GMR. The companies concerned have already applied to the Investment Board of Nepal for requisite approval, which we are hopeful will come through quickly. We expect that this development will also help in promoting greater sub-regional connectivity between our three countries. For, as you are aware, GMR has, to my understanding, already concluded a power purchase agreement with the Bangladeshi side to sell up to 500 megawatts of power from this project. We hope that this development and the quick approval of IBN will lead to faster project implementation for the mutual benefit of all our countries. I would, on this occasion, also like to recall a statement by my External Affairs Minister, where he noted that India is committed to stronger sub-regional cooperation in connectivity, and in this regard, in particular in energy sector, as that offered immense opportunities for our mutual benefit. India, our minister said, will continue to take initiatives for further progressive partnerships for production, transmission, and trade in the power sector in our region. Already, two large public sector units of India, SJVN and National Hydropower Company, NHPC, are involved in the development of several projects in Nepal to realize the hydropower potential that Nepal possesses. Currently, SJVN is developing the 900 megawatt Arun 3 project, which we hope that with the support of Government of Nepal should go into operation next year sometime. We are also hopeful of starting construction on the 669 megawatt Lower Arun project. Other projects such as Arun 4 by SJVN, 750 megawatt West Seti, 450 megawatt Siti River 6 and 480 megawatt Foucault Karnali projects are being undertaken by NHPC and are at various stages of implementation.